Hello everyone, today we're diving into 14 computer hacks that will change the way you use your computer forever. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tips, we're talking about real game changers, the kind of stuff that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Whether you're working, studying, or just having fun, these tips are going to boost your productivity and make your computer use so much smoother. Trust me, once you start using these, you'll be wondering how you ever got by without them. Okay, first up, let's talk about shortcut keys. Yeah, I know, keyboard shortcuts sounds boring, right? But seriously, these things are life-changing. Instead of wasting time clicking through menus, you can just hit a couple of keys and bam! You're doing what you need to do instantly. Think about it, how many times a day do you copy and paste? Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, boom, done. No more right-clicking, finding the option in the menu, it's just faster, smoother, and more efficient. And there are tons of other shortcuts out there for all sorts of tasks. Take some time to learn a few new ones every day, and I promise you, your workflow will be so much smoother. Alright, next up, let's talk about your mouse. It's the tool you use all day long, but are you using it to its full potential? Most people aren't. Did you know you can customize your mouse buttons to do specific things? You can set up shortcuts for your favorite programs or even create macros to automate complex tasks. And don't forget about the scroll wheel. It's not just for scrolling, you can use it for zooming, switching tabs, and a whole lot more. Take some time to explore your mouse settings and see what kind of customizations you can find. You might be surprised at how much more efficient you can be. We've all been there, frantically searching for a file we know we saved. Well, no more. Windows search is actually pretty powerful, but you need to know how to use it properly. Use specific keywords, file types, and even date ranges to narrow down your search. And don't forget about wildcards. An asterisk can be your best friend when you're not sure of the exact file name. Mastering these search techniques will save you countless hours of frustration and make you a file-finding ninja. Let's be real. Nobody likes dealing with a messy computer. Files scattered everywhere, duplicates, it's a nightmare. But it doesn't have to be that way. Take some time to organize your files into folders, use clear and consistent naming conventions, and get rid of any duplicates. There are some great tools out there that can help you with this, like Dupe Guru for finding duplicate files, or even something as simple as Windows' built-in disk cleanup utility. A little bit of organization goes a long way, and it'll save you a ton of headaches down the road. Keeping your software updated is crucial for both performance and security. Those updates might seem annoying sometimes, but they often include bug fixes, security patches, and even new features. Make sure you have automatic updates enabled for your operating system and all your important programs. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your computer running smoothly and safely. Don't fall behind, stay updated, and your computer will thank you for it. Okay, let's talk about viruses and malware. These things are nasty, and they can really mess up your computer. The best defense is a good antivirus program and a healthy dose of common sense. Don't click on suspicious links, be careful about what you download, and be wary of emails from unknown senders. And if you're ever unsure about something, just don't click it. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to online security. Imagine losing all your important files, photos, documents, everything. It's a nightmare scenario, but it can happen. That's why backups are so important. There are tons of different backup solutions out there, from external hard drives to cloud storage services. Find one that works for you and make sure you're backing up your important data regularly. Trust me, you'll thank yourself if something ever goes wrong. Is your computer feeling a little sluggish? There are a lot of things you can do to optimize its performance. Start by closing any programs you're not using, especially those running in the background. You can also use tools like disk cleanup to free up space on your hard drive, or defragment your hard drive to improve its efficiency. And if you're really serious about performance, you can even upgrade your hardware, like adding more RAM or switching to an SSD. A little optimization can go a long way in making your computer feel snappy and responsive. Every computer user runs into problems at some point, but you don't need to panic. Learning some basic troubleshooting skills can save you a lot of time and frustration. Start by identifying the problem, then try Googling it to see if anyone else has experienced the same issue. There are tons of resources online, from forums to support websites that can help you find solutions. And don't be afraid to experiment a little. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. The world of technology is constantly evolving, so it's important to keep learning new skills. Take some time to explore new software, learn new programming languages, or even just dive into the settings of your operating system to see what you can discover. There are tons of online resources available, from free courses to YouTube tutorials. The more you learn, the more you can do with your computer, and the more valuable you become in today's digital world. So stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the amazing world of technology. Security is more important than ever in today's digital world. Make sure you're using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible, and being careful about what information you share online. Be wary of phishing scams, suspicious links, and emails from unknown senders. And if you're using public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN to encrypt your connection and protect your data. A little bit of caution can go a long way in keeping your personal information safe and secure. Just like any other tool, your computer needs regular maintenance to stay in top shape. Keep your hardware clean by dusting it regularly and cleaning your keyboard and mouse. Use tools like disk cleanup to get rid of unnecessary files and free up space on your hard drive. And don't forget to check your system's temperature regularly to make sure it's not overheating. A little bit of care and attention can go a long way in extending the lifespan of your computer and keeping it running smoothly. Your computer is a powerful tool, and there are always ways to make it even more efficient. Experiment with different settings, try out new software, and see how you can push your system to its limits. Overclock your components for extra performance, optimize your network settings for faster internet speeds, and explore the advanced features of your operating system. There's always more to learn and discover, so don't be afraid to experiment and see what your computer is truly capable of. At the end of the day, your computer is a tool for entertainment as well as productivity. Use it to play games, watch movies, listen to music, and connect with friends and family. Explore new creative software, learn new skills, and find new ways to have fun with your computer. The possibilities are endless, so go out there, have fun, and enjoy all that the world of technology has to offer. These 14 hacks are not just about making your computer use easier, they're about transforming your daily computer experience. They're about taking control of your technology and using it to its fullest potential. Try these out and see how much more you can get done with less effort. You'll be amazed at the difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips.